What is Ripple XRP? Ripple, XRP, is a blockchain-based digital payment network and protocol co-founded by Chris Larsen and Jed McCaleb in 2012. It offers seamless exchange and remittance of assets via its peer-to-peer decentralized platform, aiming to provide more efficient banking services. Ripple uses a different consensus mechanism to confirm transactions. It relies on a consensus protocol to validate account balances and transactions on the system and prevent double spending. The confirmations are almost instant and only charge a small fee. When users make a transaction on Ripple, the network deducts a small amount of XRP, its native cryptocurrency, as a fee. XRP is also used as an intermediate of exchange between two assets or networks to facilitate a quick conversion. XRP is also used as a global bridge currency between multiple fiat currencies. XRP is available for purchase on the Binance exchange. It's important to understand the difference between XRP, Ripple and RippleNet. XRP is the currency that runs on a digital payment platform called RippleNet, which is on top of a distributed ledger database called XRP Ledger. While RippleNet is run by a company called Ripple, the XRP ledger is open source and is not based on blockchain, but rather the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The RippleNet payment platform is a real-time gross settlement (RTGS) system that aims to enable instant monetary transactions globally. While XRP is the cryptocurrency native to the XRP ledger, you can actually use any currency to transact on the platform. While the idea behind the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, it wasn't until Jed McCaleb and Chris Larsen took over the project in 2012 that Ripple began to be built. At the time, it was also called OpenCoin. How does XRP work? XRP was created by Ripple to be a speedy, less costly and more scalable alternative to both other digital assets and existing monetary payment platforms like SWIFT. RippleNet's ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, with Ripple the company as an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions roughly every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validator nodes come to a consensus on both the order and validity of XRP transactions, as opposed to proof-of-work mining like Bitcoin, BTC. Anyone can be a Ripple validator, and the list is currently made up of Ripple along with universities, financial institutions and others. How do you buy Ripple XRP? You can buy Ripple XRP on any exchange that offers the digital currency. In the video description you can find a link to the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, and you can buy Ripple XRP in just few minutes.